Is he gonna set the place on fire? Hey y'all, welcome to the channel or welcome back. I'm Xavier and today we're going to be watching Office Space. So it's a 1999 movie. I originally planned to watch the Naked Gun movie, like the first one from 1988, but I realized I had already watched it, so I'm not sure. So I'm going to delay my reaction to that a bit. But yeah, so synopsis for this is: a depressed white-collar worker tries hypnotherapy only to find himself in a perpetual state of devil-may-care bliss that prompts him to start living by his own rules and hatch a hapless attempt to embezzle money from his soul-killing employers. Sounds fun. Let's get into it. We're gonna try to switch lanes. Oh, Jennifer Aniston's in this? Oh no! And then, yeah.
We standing up for our own shit. And something, nigga, you fucking with the very spit. I got this killer up inside.
My, wow. All right.
Corporate accounts payable, Nina speaking. Just a moment. Nina speaking. Just a moment.
After 9.
You apparently didn't put one of the new cover sheets on your TPS report?
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I forgot. Yeah, I have the memo right here. I just, not shipping out till tomorrow, so there's no problem.
Yeah, no problem at all.
If you could just go ahead and make sure you do that from now on, that would be great. I'll go ahead and make sure you get another copy of that memo.
Yeah, no, I have the memo. I've got it. It's right.
Hello, Phil.
Into her headphones while she's video while I'm collating, so I don't see why I should have to turn.
Yeah, all right, okay.
Enjoy listening.
All right, chill, bro, chill. Yeah.
What's happening? We need to talk about your TPS reports. It's just we're putting new cover sheets on all the TPS reports, but try to remember to do that from now on. That'd be great.
Yeah. I think he realized.
Peter Gibbons. Yes. I have the memo.
Kick this piece of shit out the window.
You and me both, man. Thing is lucky I'm not armed.
Ire, Naga.
No.
Michael Bolton?
Sad.
Wow, is that your real name?
Yeah.
Singer guy?
No, it's just a coincidence.
Oh.
I gotta get out of here. I think I'm gonna lose it.
Sounds like somebody's got a case of the Mondays.
Or maybe something to nibble on. Some pizza shooters, shrimp poppers, or extreme fajitas.
Just coffee.
Okay. Sounds like a case of the Mondays.
I work at Initech and I don't consider myself a pussy, okay?
Yes, I am also not a pussy.
I could program a virus that would rip that place off big time.
Yeah.
If you're so obsessed with that, why don't you just ask her out?
You can't just walk up to a waitress and ask her out.
I'm sure you can.
An occupational hypnotherapist?
Yeah, I know. I get thinking that she's cheating on me.
She probably is.
Yeah.
I mean, he did help Anne lose weight.
Peter, she's anorexic.
Yeah, I know. The guy's really good.
What's this I hear about you having problems with your TPS report?
Didn't you get that memo?
Oh man.
You think the pet rock was a really great idea?
Sure it was. The guy made $1 million.
No.
Well,
I had an idea like that once, a long time ago.
what was that?
Really? What was it, Tom?
Oh,
Jump to conclusions, Matt, and would have different conclusions written on it that you could jump to.
That is the worst idea I've ever heard in my life, Tom.
Yes. Yes, it's horrible.
I'll see you guys later, if I still have a job.
see, I thought it was that he already told them the story, but I guess not.
PC load letter? What the fuck does that mean?
Tumors that are detected.
Oh, jeez, Lawrence.
Doesn't that chick look like Ann?
Yeah, a little bit. Sometimes I get the feeling like she's cheating on me.
Yeah, I get that feeling too, man. Gotta do is avoid them, that's all right, I got it. Last few hours on Friday. Turn off your answering machine. You should be home free, man.
Decent plan?
That's a really good idea.
I don't think it'll work though.
What would you do if you had $1 million?
2 chicks at the same time, man.
You had $1 million, you'd do 2 chicks at the same time?
Damn straight. I always wanted to do that, man. And I think if I were a millionaire, I could hook that up, too, because chicks dig dudes with money. Well, the type of chicks that double up on a dude like me do.
Good point.
Yeah, very good point.
Friday is Hawaiian Shirt Day.
They look so enthused.
I'll set the building on fire.
What?
Sounds great. I'll talk.
Over a stapler? Oh yeah, I forgot how slow these computers were, man. Not that they're something. Never mind.
Oh, for crap.
It's behind you.
Hello, Peter.
Damn!
I'm gonna need you to go ahead and come in tomorrow. So if you could be here around. I'm also gonna need you to go ahead and come in on Sunday, too.
Ever since I started working,
Wow.
every single day of my life has been...
7-day work week, damn.
So that means that every single day that you see me, that's on the worst day of my life.
Is today the worst day of your life?
Yeah.
Wow, that's messed up.
Very.
I want you to relax every muscle in your body. All your cares and concerns are disappearing.
Uh-huh.
Way down. And you will remain in that state until I snap my fingers. Way down.
Is he gonna die?
One.
Yeah, alright.
10 o'clock. Yeah, just wondering where you are. Then get here as soon as possible. That would be terrific.
That dude is sleeping the whole day out. 17?
Yeah, hi, it's Bill Lum. Yeah, hi.
3:30. Why aren't you at work?
Because I didn't feel like it.
In front of my friends, and don't blame this on hypnosis either. That's total bull.
I'm an asshole. Nobody hangs up on me. We're through. Oh, and one more thing. I've been shitting on you!
Yeah, we knew. We knew she was.
Otherwise, use the old time sheets. And
I already didn't show up this weekend.
What are you doing for lunch today?
Well, our specials today are blackened chicken.
I was asking what you were doing for lunch. Would you like to have lunch with me?
Are you serious?
Yeah. I'm gonna go next door and get a table, and if you'd like to join me, no big deal, all right? And if not, that's cool too, okay?
Okay.
All right.
When you say next door, do you mean Chili's or Flingers?
Flingers.
Smooth. I like that.
Why couldn't the customers just take them directly to the software people, huh?
I am good at dealing with people. Can't you understand that? What the hell is wrong with you people?
That did not go well.
When a man loves a woman. But you must really love his music, huh?
Yeah, he's pretty good, I guess.
You're goddamn right he is.
What's your favorite song of his?
I guess I sort of like them all.
That's so Ryan. I'm the exact same. We're not in Kansas anymore.
Really?
No, it's Broughton.
I just sort of grabbed, 15 buttons, and I don't even know what they say. I don't really care. I don't really like talking about my flair.
4, so like 98 instead of 1998.
Yeah.
I don't like my job, and I don't think I'm gonna go anymore.
You're just not gonna go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, what are you gonna do about money and bills and...
I've never really liked paying bills. I don't think I'm gonna do that either.
Okay.
So what do you want to do?
I want to take you out to dinner. And then I want to go back to my apartment and watch Kung Fu. Do you ever watch Kung Fu?
I love Kung Fu.
You should come over and watch Kung Fu tonight.
She will.
Great.
Okay. Can we order lunch first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Match made in heaven.
Oh, there it is.
What? Here, let me just go ahead and get that from you.
Okay. I could set the building on fire.
Yeah, you could.
Would you walk us through a typical day for you?
I generally come in at least 15 minutes late. I use the side door. That way Lumberg can't see me. After that, I just sort of space out for about an hour. I just stare at my desk. But it looks like I'm working. I'd say in a given week, I probably only do about 15 minutes of real, actual work.
Okay, cool.
It's not that I'm lazy. It's that I just don't care. Initech ships a few extra units. I don't see another dime. So where's the motivation?
Good point.
Believe me, this is so hypothetical.
We're offered some kind of a stock option equity sharing program.
Good luck with your layoffs, all right? I hope your firings go really well.
Excellent.
What's happening? Listen.
Yeah.
Okay, they come to tchotchkes for the atmosphere and the attitude. Okay, that's what the flair's about. It's about fun.
Okay, so more than, yeah?
Yeah.
We want you to express yourself, okay? Some people choose to wear more, and we encourage that, okay?
Okay.
You do want to express yourself, don't you?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, great. That's all I ask.
Good.
Milton Wadhams.
Who's he? Squirrely looking guy, mumbles a lot.
But why?
Laid off 5 years ago and no one ever told him about it. Through some kind of glitch in the payroll department, he still gets a paycheck.
Went ahead and fixed the glitch.
Great.
To a Peter Gibbons. That's just a straight shooter with upper management written all over.
But the problem isn't with Peter.
Mm-mm.
You haven't challenged him enough to get him really motivated.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm just not sure about that right now.
How much time would you say you spend each week dealing with these TPS reports?
Yeah.
And
These motherfuckers real gangsta ass niggas don't start fights. And niggas know they got it. And everything's cool in the mind of a gang. What's what priceless is what jumps up.
Hey, Peter, man. Check out Channel 9. It's the breast exams.
guess we should probably go ahead and have a little talk. Hmm?
All right now, Lumberg. I'm kind of busy. Just come back another time. I got a meeting with the Bobs in a couple of minutes.
That sounds good, Peter. And we'll go ahead and get this all fixed up for you.
I didn't receive my paycheck this week.
You're gonna have to talk to payroll. Milt, we're gonna need to go ahead and move you downstairs.
Excuse me. Yeah, I believe you have my stapler.
Like you've been missing a lot of work lately.
I wouldn't say I've been missing it, Bob. You're gonna lay off Samir and Michael.
Oh yeah, we're gonna bring in some entry-level graduates. This is a big promotion, Pete.
It's huge. So you're gonna fire Michael and Samir and you're gonna give me more money?
Yeah.
Huh? Wow.
A white man? No! Religious experience or whatever the hell that was? But you better snap out of it and get your shit together. You're gonna get canned.
The computer ends up with these fractions of a cent, which it usually rounds off. But what this does is it takes those little remainders and puts it into an account.
This sounds familiar.
Yeah, they did in Superman 3.
Oh, okay.
What's to stop you from doing this?
It's not worth the risk. I got a good job.
What if you didn't have a good job?
Cock gobblers. I told those fudge packers I like Michael Bolton's music.
That is not right, Michael.
Not right at all.
And let's take enough money out of that place so that we never ever have to sit in a cubicle ever again. But you take a few thousand withdrawals a day, you space it out over a couple of years, that's a few $100,000. Shit, we should be so lucky. Do you know they have conjugal visits there?
I'm a free man. I haven't had a conjugal visit in 6 months.
You came here looking for a land of opportunity. And this is the knock of that opportunity.
Ambassador. Great opportunity.
Nobody knows about this but us, all right? No family members, no girlfriends, nobody.
Of course. Agreed.
Don't worry, man. I won't tell anyone either.
He's cool. All right. Now, here's how it goes.
So I'm chasing bitches like Tom chasing Jerry. I put
Yo, don't look at me like that.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah, I guess it was.
Yeah, it was.
He goes home and tries to kill himself by running the car in the garage.
Yeah.
He decides he wants to live.
Yeah, I think I'm okay.
Love you.
Accident?
Backs out of his driveway. Driver.
Is he okay?
Sort of. He broke both his wrists, legs, a couple of ribs, his back. But check it out, he's gonna get a huge settlement out of this. Like 7 figures.
And what did you steal? Call it a going away present.
Ah, that printer that's messed up.
Back up in your ass with the resurrection. 1 step, 1 foot at a time and keep my head low and never let go. Cause if I
They acting like they're beating up somebody. Hey, whoa, whoa. Calm down, man. Calm down.
I guarantee you fright. Go on the verge.
I beg your pardon?
I'm out for no reason. Once I get down, there'll be no breathing.
Monday morning, we're gonna check the account balance. Everything will be okay.
Yeah, what were you guys celebrating last night?
Oh, I'm not really at liberty to talk about it.
Yeah, okay.
I really can't. All right, so when the subroutine compounds the interest, right, it uses all these extra decimal places that just get...
He's literally telling her. Wow.
Round them all down and just drop the remainder into an account that we opened.
So you're stealing?
Yeah.
You're gonna make a lot of money, right?
Yeah.
Right? It's not yours?
Well, it becomes ours.
How is that not stealing?
Cause it is stealing.
I don't think that I'm explaining this very well.
No, you're explaining it very well.
Doesn't it bother you that you have to get up in the morning and you have to put on a bunch of pieces of flair?
Yeah, but I'm not about to go in and start taking money from the register.
Well, maybe you should. Well, the Nazis had pieces of flair, but they made the Jews wear.
What?
I saw that going differently in my mind.
Hi. Forgive me for not getting up. It's a prototype.
Huh, that's exactly as you described it.
No! God, please, no! No! Good things can happen in this world. I mean, look at me.
Thanks, Tom.
Yeah.
He says the trick is kick someone's ass the first day or become someone's bitch.
Lumberg fucked her. I see who else. Rennie. Lumberg.
Whoa, that's a turn.
I didn't ask you who you slept with before we were together. I don't care.
Well, I didn't think you slept with guys like Lumberg.
This penny-stealing, wannabe criminal man.
Yeah.
You just call me when you grow up. Oh, wait, you know what? That's probably never gonna happen, so just don't.
Lumberg.
You can go ahead and just...
It is Jeremy's drinking the out of the mug. All right.
If you want me to wear 37 pieces of flair like your pretty boy over there, Brian, why don't you just make the minimum 37 pieces of flair?
Thought I remembered you saying that you wanted to express yourself.
And she is.
I do want to express myself. All right, there's my flair. And this is me expressing myself. There it is.
Whoa.
Shit. Michael, you said the thing was gonna take 2 years.
What happened?
You said the thing was supposed to work. Technically, it did work.
Clock that T. Clock that T.
Decimal point in the wrong place or something. Shit, I always do that. I always mess up some mundane detail.
Oh!
Is he gonna set the place on fire? Well, that's what he wanted to do.
Don't be greedy. Let's pass it along and make sure everyone gets a piece.
But this they raise you up. People to cake is too much. Could take the building on fire.
Maybe we could launder the money.
That's a great idea. Okay, how do we do that?
I don't know. I don't even know what it means. I was hoping you knew. my cousin's a cokehead.
That's not helpful right now, man.
Take care of the cockroach problem we've been having.
I haven't received my paycheck.
For now, why don't you go ahead and get yourself a flashlight and a can of pesticide.
Excuse me. Okay, but that's the last straw.
All right, sure it is.
You mean Ron Lumberg, the inner throat guy, the young guy?
Yeah, who'd you think I meant, Bill?
Okay. That is why I'm selling magazine subscriptions.
No.
And I was hoping you could help me out.
You used to be addicted to crack? To white-collar resort prison. No. We're going to federal pound me in the ass prison.
I don't want to go to any prison. Did I do this? I've never done anything wrong in my whole life.
You want to come over?
No thanks, man. I don't want you fucking up my life, too.
Another Jabad to a term of no less than 4 years in a federal pound me in the ass prison. Peter Gibbons, you've led a trite and meaningless life. You're a very bad person.
So they go to prison, he just gets the he's a bad person. Alright.
I'm gonna take the blame for it, I decided. I'm on my way now to return the money and leave a confession under Lumberg's door. Man, I want to apologize. I had no right to get pissed off at you about Lumberg. Lumberg is not my problem. I've been a real asshole. If you could give it another shot, I promise you, Joanna.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad of a
Whoa, hey, what's going on here?
of a
Room, you two.
Me. I hate that guy.
Yeah, it wasn't bad that bad about indiscretion. So, all right.
To take my paper back because it's my paper and I told him it's like it.
The doors open all this time. He didn't even try. God, idiot. He actually did set fire to the place.
I think I know someone who might want this. I think the fire pretty much took care of everything.
I wonder if the money burned up.
Working outside.
Fucking A.
Fucking A.
Yeah.
Big grains of salt on close to it. What happens again? I won't be leaving a tip because I could write a letter to your court of tourism and I could have this place condemned. I could put strychnine in the guacamole.
Alright, so that was Office Space. This is gonna be a short discussion, I think. Yeah. Decent movie. I liked it. Some good humor. Like 90% of it is still relevant. You know, it's not dated or anything. Even though like the technology in the movie, like with the print, what's it called again? That computer, and like about the thing about the code, all that. Some of that is dated now, but most of it holds up. You know, it's office time, so you have to take that into account and everything. So yeah, it is what it is. But overall, good time, good vibes. Really, I liked it. Okay, so going to the main characters, we have Peter, Samir, Michael, Lumberg, and Jennifer Aniston's character. And I feel like they all gave decent performances. There was also Lawrence. Lawrence was a minor character, well. Jennifer Lawrence was fine. The relationship between Peter and Jennifer Aniston's character, it was okay. There was some chemistry between them, but you know, it wasn't like out to the park or anything like that. But you know, and the best scene with them was when she was saying that he's stealing, and he was like trying to use pretty words, but no, he was stealing. Also, like Samir and Michael. Samir wasn't. It was just okay. But Michael was had more weight on the community performance out of those two. Lumberg just walking around drinking. I'm not sure if it was coffee in a mug or whatever, but tea, whatever. He just always going around drinking, like every like hour he's drinking something. Like you see the bathroom very often. Like whoa, weird. And then Watham's that guy Milton, he said he was gonna burn the place down, and he did burn the place down. They kept making that joke in the movie. Oh, I'm gonna burn the place down. Guess what? He did, and that saved Samir and Peter Michael. not Michael. Yeah, Michael. And decent way to have those two that running jokes through the film, and then the mess that the three got themselves into. Nice little way to bring that together and run it off. I do think though that the money is still in their account. Like the money is theirs, so I think the evidence of what they did to get the money would have been destroyed, but the money is still in their account. So if I was, but then financial accounting, forensics, I don't know. This is 1999, so I don't know how detailed it would have been. So they could. I'm not advocating for them keep the money or anything. I think they would have been able to if they wanted to. Can't knock it. But yeah, okay. So this is a. I love the scene with the printer and then doing violence with the printer. Like it that they're doing a hit on somebody or beating up somebody. Like that. The general vibe of the film, good vibes. I don't think anything was like too outrageous or anything like that. It was more like good vibes, good time. There was crime, but it was petty crime. Was it? No, it wasn't. No, that's still $300,000. That's not a petty crime. Oh, my bad. Oh yeah. Anyway, so enjoy that. Did I watch it again? Maybe not, but it was fun for what it was. So those are my thoughts. Goodbye.